Hi, welcome back to another video. Today we're going on to another question on coded data and standard deviation from the AS course of math and the stats section. So once again, this type of question is very typical, so we're going to go over this and hopefully it helps. So we're given two parts of the question, I and II. To start off with, we need to find the standard deviation of x. Well, we know that the standard deviation of x is the same as the standard deviation of x minus 25. This can be proven, but that'll be for another time. So we can rewrite this as the standard deviation, the variance, which we can later calculate the standard deviation with, is equal to sigma x minus 25 squared over n minus x minus 25 bar squared. So to find this out, we need to find out two values. One is our n value, which we don't know and are not given, and the second one is our x minus 25 bar. So to find out x minus 25 bar, we know that the value of x bar is the same as x minus 25 bar plus 25. So our x bar is 28.325, which means that our x minus 25 bar is just x bar minus 25, which is 3.325. Then again, we need to find n. Well, to find n, we know that the x minus 25 bar is equal to all the numbers in the digit or in the sets added together. So sigma x minus 25 over how many times there were, how many numbers there were in the set, so n. Which means that our which means that n is the same as sigma x minus 25, not 5, 25, over x minus 25 bar, which is 133 over 3.325, which gives you a value of 40. Then we just plug it back into this formula. So if we plot this back out, equals to sigma x minus 25 squared over n minus x minus 25 bar squared, which will give us 3762 given over here in the question, over 40 minus 3.325 squared. And that will give you a value, let's see, put it in the calculator through of 82.99 blah 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 4. But remember, this is the variant, so it's this, a variant, so we need to square root this, the variant, to find the standard deviation. So after square rooting this, we find out that the standard deviation is equals to 9.11 in 3 significant figures. So that's part I done, and moving on to II. So we need to find out what sigma x squared is. Well, once again, using this rule, we can rewrite the sigma, or the variant of x minus 25 to equal to sigma x squared over n minus x bar squared. And since we already have everything here, we can just work it out. So all we need to do is the variant of x minus 25 plus x bar squared, and then times n to get sigma x squared, which means that sigma x squared is the same as 82.99 plus x bar, which is 28.325 squared, and times x bar squared. Times 40, which is n, which gives us a value of 35412. So in the final answer, we get that we get the variant of x is the same as 9.11, and 3 is f. And in II, we find that sigma x squared is equals to 35412. So any coded data and variance and standard deviation questions in our AS Math test is pretty free and something you should master since they're practically 3 points. So I hope this video helped, and I hope you do well in your exams, and I'll see you later.